Okay, this is our oil filter adapter that goes in the case where the oil filter screws into. If you look on one side of it, it's got a very slight chamfer on it. This side here, very slight. That's the side that faces in. So the check ball, which is right here, the check ball faces that chamfer, so it's going to go in there like that. That's our check ball right there. That's what prevents oil from just flowing through the oil filter and filling up the bottom end out of the oil tank. So all this stuff's already been cleaned and prepped. So we're just going to stick that in there, and we'll put red Loctite on the end that screws into the case. I already cleaned this with the lacquer thinner, cleaned the threads out of the adapter there, and we're going to go ahead and stick that in.